What is up, guys? Here we have another gaming build video here. Today we're not going to be building anything, but I'm unboxing my keyboard that I needed to go with my mouse, my Imperator mouse. I got the Lycosa Mirror. It's a basic keyboard just to get at least something to match that mouse. I'm sure in the future I'll upgrade it and get a better keyboard, or maybe even put this keyboard onto my Mac and I'll get a better keyboard for my gaming computer. So apparently, once again, I am in a cult of Razer, and that is kind of interesting. And it opens up like that, and there's the keyboard. It is very glossy, which I've dealt with in the past, so it's not that big of a deal to me, but I know it's going to be a bit of a fingerprint and dust magnet, which is always a risk that I'm willing to take. So yeah, the keyboard is very glossy. It's a very nice, sleek keyboard, and it's very thin, very surprisingly thin. And it feels very high quality. The keys themselves feel pretty good. And there is the cables. We have audio cables and two USBs, because there is a USB hub and audio ports in the front there. We also have what's probably going to be some manuals and various sundry items that come with every other tech product that's ever existed, if I can get it open with one hand. And once again, some writing there. For gamers, by gamers. So let's go ahead and open this up. These are the things that I had difficulties opening on the Imperator. So we'll get that out. Certificate of authenticity. Manual. Ooh, a little bit of cleaning cloth. That's kind of cool. I guess it's important when you have a glossy product. Stickers, and what looks like a coaster, but is really just another... Oh, actually advertises other products they have. So that's pretty shameless plugging. So we'll go ahead and we'll get this keyboard set up, and I'll give you my initial impressions. Okay, so we got the keyboard installed right here, and it looks beautiful on the desk. In fact, looking through the camera screen and looking back at the desk, it's very difficult to even see it through the camera screen, but this is an amazing keyboard, just the way it looks, especially coupled with the Imperator mouse with the same general color scheme. I mean, the backlighting is very bright, just bright enough to where you can see the keys very, very clearly. At the same time, it's not too bright, which is a common issue with a lot of backlighting. I'm going to do probably a full-fledged review in the future of this keyboard, and I'll be comparing it and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. I am Tony. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe, comment, and rate this video, and I'll see you guys next time.